Hello everyone. Today we're playing OG Fun Monkey. I think we're gonna do every level as long as my headset don't die. And we have a little special guest.
It's me.
Wrong person. Get out. Sorry. I didn't. Oh, you got armor. Wait. 1, Maka 2, Maka 3, Maka 9, Maka 4, Maka 5, Maka 6, Maka 9, Maka 7, Maka 8, Maka 9, Maka 9, Maka 9. Okay, alright. What map we doing? Let's start with Place. Place is pretty chill.
I haven't played this game forever.
Place is over here. I know you have a $30 mod menu in your hands right now, bro.
Oh, this is pretty chill. Who we going after?
I say blue. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, this is my second video, so trying to reach 100 subscribers. We're at 95. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Keep going.
Sparkler.
Spectrumatronum. Wait, is that how you say it? Bippity boppity boo, I choose you. Don't do it. No. He was never seen again.
Yeah, in case you didn't know, these teleport you.
Bet.
I didn't even know that.
I see big green guy.
Is that it?
Is anyone over here? Hello, can anyone
That's
No.
yellow.
Did I use it right, guys? I see someone.
That's red. I think. Yeah, it's red. It's green. Blue.
That's
tends
RBG.
to go underneath the bridge.
When I was 5, I got slapped. Then I got clapped. And in the back.
I'm super good at this game.
Edit that out the video, guys. Wait for me! Why he run like that?
Nah.
Yo! Kieran, look how I run.
It's an interesting run.
Someone in our call is talking about gambling right now. That's why I would...
Oh, I thought that was a monster.
Bet. You thought that was a monster?
Yeah, I thought that noise was the monster.
No!
Speaking
Headset
of
battery is low.
Oh, don't leave me.
Format me, bro.
I'm a monker. Did they get rid of the bridge? I thought there was a bridge. Oh no, it leads behind it. No.
He's a beat. Where'd he go?
No.
Where's the teleporter? Where is it?
I got cinematic. Hello, Mr. Green Monkey. Uh-oh.
Go.
Uh-oh.
Stop. 1, Maca 2, Maca 3, Maca. Okay. I'm sorry.
He didn't fall for it.
Where's the teleporter? Yeah, bro, you do you. I ain't doing that.
I think you're cooked.
Where's the teleporter?
It's up here.
He's stuck.
You were saying? What are you doing?
Teleporter.
Hey, I smell him.
I
Hello.
think actually in this video we're just doing place because my headset's about to die.
Okay.
Okay, well we need to find all the monsters at least.
We saw green.
Look, I'm playing on
If you
PC and
don't
mouse.
know-
Listen. I mean keyboard.
Bro, if you don't know, the strategy is to use all of your energy to run to them.
The strategy is do this.
Oh wait, there's two over here. There's two.
Kieran, show me your goofiest
You
laugh.
think you're fast on the fat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're a short boy. You can't get me on this tree.
Kieran, show me your funniest
Wait.
laugh. Show me your funniest laugh.
I'm an
No, it's more
alien.
like.
I see a blue one. I swear I saw a blue one over there.
Mr. Red, did you know I'm actually faster than you, you little slowpoke? Oh, this is trippy. Woohoo.
Whoa. It looks so cool. I could almost fall.
Oh, I almost just fell into the water. Hey, Mr.
Okay,
Slowpoke,
I
if you
can
come at me, I'm
see.
jumping in the water, and you'll never live again. You'll never live to see another day. Oh, great heavens.
Oh, why is he actually fast?
Water!
I thought yellow was slow.
You
I
Slowpoke.
thought yellow was
Yellow's a
slow.
Slowpoke, not gonna lie. He's
You
low
can
genuinely
come
a
down here,
Slowpoke.
Candy. Yeah. Where'd he go? He's running.
Yes!
I think he's coming down to you.
You're lying. Where are you?
I'm above you. I'm on the. Yeah, he's coming to you.
What?
Or at least
Not
he was.
anymore. Uh-oh.
Hmm.
Get back over here, boy.
Yeah. I'm gonna
We're
get
meant to be
you.
running from you. You're not meant to be running from us.
I'll corner him.
Boy, I'm coming up.
Not know where to run, Yellow Bellow. Uh-oh.
Boy,
Uh-oh.
he after you.
Ew.
Yeah, come down here. See what happens. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Is he coming? I'll lose her. I'll lose her. How's he on the water? How's he on the water? He went on the water.
I thought he didn't go in the water.
Air. Plane.
Hey.
Yellow, I'm ready to fight you like a man.
Oh no, don't touch me there.
I'm ready to fight him like a seahorse.
Oh yeah?
Come at
I'm
me,
ready
Yellow.
to fight him like a sea.
I'm not afraid.
Like the letter C. Run past him onto the bridge. We got Bear, please. Bear.
Come on, you can make what the low canyon would need. I'm alive. I'm low canyon would need alive. Loser lame I wanna be. Like stop, don't talk to me. Loser lame I wanna be. Like oh, totally.
Are you wearing a wig?
I keep it undercover.
I think he's coming back around.
No, he's not. Stop lying.
Mommy, Daddy, look, I'm gonna climb the stairs. I'm gonna climb the stairs.
I think this is the end, Kieran. I think we die and it's over.
He's gonna be Jesus.